The gentle quiet of winter, when the world is dressed in glittering snow, there is a special magic that lives in handmade things. Today, we step in a warm little story about crocheted Christmas ornaments, love woven with yarn, and memories that last for longer than any store bought shine. Our story begins in a small town where houses glow softly with golden lights. On the corner of Evergreen Street lived an elderly woman named Mrs. Allura. She was known not for wealth or grand decoration, but for her hands that could turn simple thread into beauty. Every December, she sat by her fireplace with her basket of yarn, crocheting tiny ornaments, stars, angels, snowflakes, candy canes, little bells, and sometimes tiny Christmas trees small enough to fit in your palm. Each stitch carried patience, warmth, and love. But this year felt different for Alora. Her children had grown up and moved far away. Her home was quieter than before. The laughter of Christmas past felt like an echo. Yet, even in her loneliness, she continued crocheting because she believed love is never wasted. It simply travels. As she crocheted, she remembered her own childhood. Her mother taught her crochet needle by needle, looping yarn around tiny fingers, repeating softly, things made with hands carry the heart. And Alora truly believed that. Across the street lived a family who had just moved into the town. The Rivras. They had two small children, Mia and Lusa. Full of energy and curiosity, their holiday season had felt rushed and stressful. Their father worked long hours, and their mother was trying her best to settle into the new home. One snowy morning, little Mia saw Alora sitting by her window crocheting her fingers. Her fingers moved gracefully like a quiet dance. Mia pressed her hands to the window and whispered, Mama, look, she's making snowflakes from strings. Her mother smiled and encouraged her to say hello. And so, while she steps, Mia knocked on Elora's door. Elora's opened with a warm smile, one of those smiles that you can feel before you see it. Mia asked very softly, can you teach me how to make snowflakes too? Elora's eyes sparkled. Of course, she said. Crochet loves new hands. And just like that, something beautiful began. Each afternoon, Mia and Lusa visited Alora. She taught them how to hold the yarn, how to make tiny loops, how to breathe through mistakes, and how patience grows into creation. At first, their snowflakes were uneven, loops too big, loops too small. A few became funny shapes that did not look like anything at all, but Alora only laughed and said, Crocheting is like life. You try, you learn, you try again, and eventually you make something beautiful. Slowly, the ornaments begin to form beautifully, tiny stars that sparkle like hope, little hearts full of warmth, and delicate snowflakes that look like winter whisper. One evening, as Christmas drew near, the children and their parents helped Alora decorate her tree instead of shining glass ornaments. And tree was covered in soft yarn, a snowflake patience, a star of guidance, a heart of love, a tiny angel for protection, a little tea for growth. The Rivera family felt something they had not felt in a long time peace. In the gentle glow, the father spoke softly. We have not decorated like this in years. Work, life, everything becomes so busy. Alora nodded and replied, Christmas is not about how much you have, it's about how much love you place in what you create, you share. And in that moment, everyone understood. Not every Christmas gift needs glitter, not every memory needs money. Sometimes the most meaningful things are made slowly, with hands, with time, with heart. That Christmas, the Rivera family carried home a small basket of crocheted ornaments, gifts from Elora. They promised to hang them every year to remember that love is handmade. And as winter snow fell softly outside, laughter filled Elora's home again, because love returns always. So this X-Max, whether you hold the hook and yarn, or simply you heart and time, remember, a handmade ornament is more than decoration. It's a money, a story, a piece of your heart given away. Thank you. Be a part of this.